My name is Tim Long. I'm the CEO and founder of New Life Medical Center. We're a primary care and urgent care facility. And today I'm going to talk to you about a new peptide that we've been using in the clinic pretty recently. It's decades old. It's primarily overseas is where it was used. The first ones to bring it over were professional athletes, and now it's becoming more popular among the general population for soft tissue repair or injuries. So if you had a injury like tendonitis, knee pain, golfer's elbow, shoulder pain, pulled muscle in the back, Achilles heel, plantar fasciitis, like I said, this is something you may want to take a look at. It's very effective at repairing those type of issues. Now, BPC-157, what it does is it accelerates wound healing for whether it's a cut, a muscle, ligament, tendon, even nerves. It's anti-inflammatory. So if you have issues with chronic inflammation, this is going to help with that, which also helps with like nerve repair, neuropathy, things like that. It's been shown to decrease pain in any area that's been injured or damaged. It helps with growth hormone receptors. Now, why is that a benefit? If you are on an anti-aging medication such as ipamorelin or simorelin, or if you follow our fasting protocol and we increase your human growth hormone naturally, with BPC-157, it opens up those more receptors to receive that human growth hormone, which means you're going to get a better response and more effect from it. It also promotes cell survival under stress. It improves digestion function. As a matter of fact, BPC-157 was discovered in human gastric juice. But so obviously they can't collect that from enough humans to serve the population. So they synthetically recreated it in a pharmacy. So it's very good for any type of digestive issue like leaky gut or IBS. It also improves nitric oxide, which can help with erectile dysfunction, helps with blood flow, it helps repair the lining of the blood vessels, so it helps with cardiovascular and lower blood pressure. So there's a lot of benefits with that. And another big one that it does, it helps protect the liver from toxins like antibiotics, alcohol, fatty liver, and anything else that's going to tax that liver. So it's very effective at healing and repairing soft tissue. What we have seen in the clinic, just bear with me, I'm going through all this. What we have seen in the clinic has been pretty dramatic. And we've had people with tendonitis that they had tried to rehab and PRP and cortisone shots and TENS units for 7 or 8 months and it never went away. But after 2.5 weeks of being on BPC-157, the pain was gone. A patient with carpal tunnel, less than a week. We had a patient with lower back. It wasn't actually his spine, it was the connective tissue and the muscle. He couldn't deadlift or squat anymore because it would be sore for days. And by the time he recovered, he could just start deadlifting again, so he could never progress. So he had to switch over to doing like leg presses and so on. After 2 weeks, he was back to squatting and deadlifting, and virtually just no pain. Pulled muscles. We had a patient that had a pulled muscle. It happens pretty often, a couple times a year. Takes him out for about 2 weeks. This one, that he was better the next day. So we also had a patient who mentioned the digestion. He said his food, the way his gut felt, was like he was 25 years old again. I'm not going to go into all the details, but he felt so much better. So it's very effective. It works. It's been proven hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times. If you do any type of research, just go on Google or YouTube, you're going to hear athlete after athlete after athlete talking about it and how effective it is. But everybody's different. Just because these patients had this result doesn't mean you're going to have the same result. But the only way to know is to try. So if you've had issues with tendonitis, golfer's elbow, plantar fasciitis, Achilles heel, shoulders, knees, back, any type of soft tissue that just will not heal, this may be something you want to take a look at. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Also, side effects, virtually no side effects. It's a natural occurring peptide. It's already in your body. And it's also something you can take via shot or through a tablet. So if you're interested and have questions, call us at 901-213-0100. Go to our website, newlifemedcenters.com, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you may have, schedule an appointment, and get you on the road to healing. Thank you and have a good day.